Drawing icons for my ox, part 5. Another pretty old ox. His original description has him as sassy. Since this revamp of him is relatively new, he doesn't really have much of a story or personality, but I wanted to practice drawing snakes, so here we are. The one thing we have for him is that he's friends with Spiral Fang. He's only had 2 designs. The first one he was all green and a new design. As you can see, he has lighter belly scale